Good morning, class. Today we will discuss the next segment of the chapter Learning for Change. In this chapter, as you know, we are discussing the women empowerment or how the women can change the world, and the stereotype is breaking up day by day. In this 21st century, now we have lots of example for this particular topic, but when we see the ancient time, we have seen that many women and you can say they were forwarding themselves towards the change in their life. So let's begin with the stories. As I told you, three stories we will discuss. Going to school is an extremely important part of your life. As more children enter in school every year, we begin to think that this is the normal for all children to go to school, and today it is difficult for us to imagine that school and learning could be seen out of bounds and not appropriate for some children. But in the past, the skill of reading and writing was known to only few. Most of children learn this work, their families or the elders did, and the first for the girl, the situation was worse. And in communities that taught son to read and write, daughters were not allowed to learn the alphabet. Even the families were where the skill like pottery, weaving, carpet craft and were taught, and the contribution of daughters and the women was seen as the supportive. So for example, the pottery trade, women collected the mud and prepared the earth from the for the pots, and but since they did not operate the wheel, they were not seen as a potter. Means here generally you can understand this कि earlier time, if you see that without women any work cannot be possible. Basically we can discuss this. Suppose a potter if is making the pots, but behind him who is supporting him, that is woman only. She is bringing the mud from the field and she is preparing everything. Only she is giving to him to prepare the pots. So means is to say without women this work is not, but the work is seen that is done by the men only. So in 19th century, many new ideas about education and learning emerged. School became more common, and communities that had never learned reading and writing started sending their children to school, but there was a lot of opposition and education girls even then. ठीक है, आज भी हमें बहुत ऐसे दिखते हैं जो गर्ल्स की एजुकेशन का अपोज करते हैं. बेसिकली देन थ्री स्टेट्स व्हेन वी नो अबाउट देम, दैट इज बिहार or you can say Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Rajasthan. So yet many women and men made efforts to open the school for girls, and women struggle to learn to read and write. You know that in that particular in history, we know that the picture is given before you, Ramabai Pandita, and in 1858, see about the mid 19th century and 1922, she was you can say shown above and with her daughter, and that is the champion the cause of women education. मतलब उन्होंने एक अचीव किया, एंड शी नेवर वेंट टू स्कूल बट शी लर्न रीड टू राइट फ्रॉम हर पेरेंट्स, एंड शी वॉज गिवन द टाइटल ऑफ पंडिता. पंडिता का मतलब होता है संस्कृत में, अगर इसे में कहें अचीव करना, एक्नॉलेज, मतलब उसके बाद अच्छी नॉलेज थी, स्कॉलर थी. शी वेंट ऑन सेटअप द मिशन ऑफ खेतगांव near Pune in 1898, where widows and poor women encouraged not only to become the literate but to be independent. By they were taught a variety of skill from carpentry to running the printing press and skill, and are not usually taught to girls even today. So the printing press can be seen in the picture top left corner. Ramabai's mission still help. So this means like this particularly the picture, and this we can see the printing press और ये सब क्या था, this was popular at that time, and it was made by only Pandita Ramabai. So let us read about the experience of Roshandri Devi. Roshandri Devi, the period of her was 1800 1890, and who was born in West Bengal some 200 years ago. And 60 age of 60 she wrote her autobiography in Bangla, and her book title Amar Jiban means Mera Jivan, is the first known autobiography. Amar Jiban means my life, Jiban means Jivan. So, the first known autobiography written by the Indian women, and Roshandri Devi was housewife from a rich landlord family. At the time, it was believed that women learned and to read and write, she would bring bad luck to her husband and she will be widow. मतलब अगर कोई लड़की पढ़ती थी तो उसको ये कहते थे कि ये बहुत दुर्भाग्य है और वो विडो हो जाएगी अगर वो पढ़ेगी. Now this is the question deeply we can discuss while we are interacting in the class, but here I tell you about this was again the superstition, the mentality of the people. So this would bring bad luck to her with husband. It was the belief of people. Despite this, she taught herself how to read and write, and in secret, well after her marriage. मतलब उसने जितनी पढ़ाई करी वो कब करी, अपनी शादी के बाद. I would start working, she is writing, at dawn. Dawn means in the early morning, and I would still be at the still will beyond midnight. I had to rest in between. I was only 14-year-old at the time. I came to nurture the great longings. I would learn to read, and I would read a religious manuscript. शी इज़ राइटिंग कि मेरे को कभी रेस्ट नहीं किया मैंने, और मैं जब भी 14 ईयर से की एज से मैं मतलब ये सब कर रही हूँ, लिख रही हूँ, और ये सब मेरी इच्छाएं थी. एंड आई लर्न रीड एंड आई वुड रीड रिलीजियस मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट जो हाथ से लिखे हुए थे वो उनको पढ़ती थी. So, unlucky in those days women were not educated. Later I began to resent my own thoughts. ठीक है, दोबारा से उन्होंने अपने thoughts को लिखना शुरू किया. What was wrong with me when women do not read? How will I do it? तो वो अपने आप ही क्वेश्चनिंग करती रही, अपने आप को उन्होंने आंसर दिए, अपने आप से एफर्ट किए. देन आई हैड टू ड्रीम. आई वॉज रीडिंग द मैन्यूस्क्रिप्ट ऑफ चैतन्य भगत, the life of the saint. And later the day I sat cooking in the kitchen, I heard my husband say to my eldest son, Bipin, I have left my Chaitanya Bhagat here. So when I asked for it, bring in, and he left the book there and went away. When the book had been taken inside, I secretly took out the page, hid it carefully. मतलब उसने उसको बुक को चुरा लिया, उसकी पेज निकाल लिए और उसको बहुत छिपा दिया. और it was the job of hiding it, for nobody must find in my hands. मतलब ऐसा कि मेरे हाथ में किसी को किताब ना दिखे लेकिन मैं पढ़ूँ. My eldest son was practicing in alphabets. I went, and at the time I hid one of them well. At the time I went over that trying to match letters and the page with the letters that I remember. मतलब जितनी उसने याद करी थी उतने उन लेटर्स को जो उसका बेटा पढ़ता था उससे वो मैच करती गई और सीखती गई. आई ऑल्सो ट्राई टू मैच द वर्ड्स विद दोज दैट आई वुड हेयर इन द कोर्स ऑफ माई डेज. So she, by matching the words, she learned, and with tremendous care and effort, and over a long period of time, I learned how to read. तब मैंने पढ़ा कि कैसे मुझे पढ़ना है. After learning the alphabets, Roshandri Devi was able to read the Chaitanya Bhagat through her own writing. She also gave the world an opportunity to read about women's life in those days. Roshandri Devi wrote about her everyday experience in details. ठीक है, तब उसकी ऐसे ऑटोबायोग्राफी बनी. एवरी डे शी स्टार्ट राइटिंग, एंड देयर वर डेज व्हेन शी डिड नॉट हैव द मोमेंट्स रेस्ट. ऐसा टाइम था कि वो कभी उसने रेस्ट नहीं किया. नो टाइम इवन शी डिड डांस डाउन इट. कभी ऐसा नहीं था कि वो मतलब खाने के लिए भी बैठी हो. मतलब शी वॉज टोटली बिजी इन राइटिंग हर ऑटोबायोग्राफी व्हेन शी वॉज लर्निंग. So this was the story about the you can say Roshandri Devi, and after that we will discuss the schooling and education today, the comparison. Another story also we have Rokia Shekhawat. This we'll discuss in next video. Then we proceed to the next topic. Okay. Thank you.